brown, I don't know what it is, but it's not white. You guys see it right in there? Actually, I'm going to turn this around and show you right here. Hey guys, this is Allison and I want to show you today my top things that I use in my office on a daily basis. When I vacation, these are the things that I miss so much because it helps me be efficient, it helps me get moving, it helps me just wait and see because it's going to be good. Like, share, subscribe, all that social stuff, and get ready because this list is going to be one that you're going to want to note. Alright, starting out right here, you guys. When you sit at your desk all day long, oh, you start to slouch and you start to get, oh, just so brain bogged, right? Like, at least that's with me. But guess what I use? I use a stand-up desk and I love it. It is so fantastic. Actually, I'm going to turn this around and show you right here. This is my stand-up desk that I absolutely love. And while I'm doing a Facebook Live or I've been sitting for a long time, I will just push this bad boy up and so I can stand and it works out really, really nice. Which leads me on to the second thing right here, and I did a video recently on this, and this is my lighting. So go watch how I do my lighting in my video because you'll see a difference between, check this out right there. Do you see the one like, hi, I'm recording right here? Do you see that one? Let me focus it a little bit. Versus the one on right there. Look how white this one is versus that one. That one just kind of like, I don't know, pinkish, grayish, purplish, brown, I don't know what it is, but it's not white. And we like white. So go watch that video on how I do my lighting. Alright, I'm looking at my list right here. You guys see it? I love making lists. I'm a list maker. Okay, next thing, water and lemonade. You guys know that I always drink out of like a hospital mug because I like straws. There's my mug right there. I can easily grab it. And then one thing that I really enjoy adding to that would be found over here in front of mine because I can clan. You guys see it right in there? My keys are in there too, you guys. And grab it. These little True Lemon. Oh my gosh, you guys. That is just like a little, ooh, there we go. A little slice of heaven right there in your water. There's like 3 calories in it and no sugar. Go stock up on these bad boys and put them in your hospital mug because that's a cool thing to do. Okay, the next thing, you're coming over here. You guys check this out. I don't have like a real desk. I just got a table and it's turquoise and it's really cute. So I don't have any drawers to put my pens and pencils in. So I got this thing. I don't know what it is, but it just holds all my pens and pencils. And this is so crazy. I never thought I'd be a pen and pencil snob, but I totally am. Like way pencil and pen snob. So these are my favorite things. It's a ballpoint pen because it writes so smooth, and then just a clickable pencil. Not like one that I have to go find a sharpener for. I know these are like little simple things, but these find me happiness and joy. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you are my headphones. These are noise blocking babies right here. Whoa. Do you guys see them? And so when my staff walks by and I'm trying to be effective, I put them on so they know that I'm trying to get stuff done. I love my staff, but I also love getting work done. So I can put these bad boys on and bust out a lot. Also helps with kids too. If kids are around and you're trying to bust things out, these can be awesome. Okay, next thing, you guys, my chair. My adjustable chair, we just got it at Costco. And this thing is phenomenal and I love it. The reason why I love it, it's because it moves up and down. So I set it at its lowest possible setting because then it helps me to sit taller when I'm at my desk and so I don't slouch near as much. So try that. And then over here, you guys, wipes. Clean off your desk, clean off your keypad. It gets dirty. So use wipes lots. Alright, and then the other thing, do you guys see how I have 2 screens right here? They're awesome. Usually I have over here my calendar and my Trello boards, but my Wi-Fi is not working today. Oh, you guys, Wi-Fi drives me nuts. Absolutely nuts. I need Wi-Fi. So usually I have my to-do list and my calendar over here, and then all my work is over on this calendar, and I can bust things out and stay focused so much quicker. So those are my top favorite things to use in my office. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that social stuff. If you're interested in how you can build your online profitable brand selling products online, click the links above, click the links below, depending on what social platform you are on, so that you can go build your dream business. My girls, when they were in junior high, they sold over 6 figures. Crazy, right? It really happened, and I want to show you how you can do that too. So click the links up, above, and below, and you can get started. I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.